Okay, so you're gonna start up your sculptures, and you're gonna call your LLC Nike LLC. Okay, so you go to New York State Department of State checks their database. There's nobody called Nike, good enough, here you go, right? So you're ready to rock and roll, right? Are you? What's gonna be in your mailbox in the next couple of days? No, not quite a lawsuit. A nice little certified letter called a cease and desist letter from Nike Incorporated out in Oregon. So what happens is you can get a name in New York State, but it might be a protected federal trademark registration. So if that happens, it's not going to work very well. So you have to keep in mind trademark law and some different, and make sure to do trademark searches to make sure nobody else is called that, at least at the federal level. I had a client a couple weeks ago. There was, they wanted to start a store, and there was something with a similar name in the state, and in the same state but in a different part of the state, and there were federal trademark registrations for that, and so they weren't happy, but my counsel was that they shouldn't use it because they're going to get a cease and desist letter. So, you know, the reason you think about a really good name is because you're going to spend, I mean, if you think about the marketing efforts that even an attorney who isn't very good at marketing would do is, you know, you're going to set up a website, you're going to get a URL, you're going to get business cards, maybe you're going to advertise in Art Voice or the Public. Maybe you're going to get flyers made up for your open house or something like that. So you've got all this money, and I mean, a website alone, if you don't have somebody that's willing to give you a steep discount, a website alone can be $10,000. So you've got this website and all this print marketing material, you're looking at, I don't know, $10,000, $12,000, $15,000. And then you get the cease and desist letter, and then all that branding and marketing is just down the toilet. So you really want to, you know, just do a Google search on the name that you want to use, go to uspto.gov, and do a search on their website to see if there's anything similar out there already. What you need to look at there's about 8 factors that you look at to determine whether there would potentially be trademark infringement. So you look at your name, and then the standard is confusingly similar. Right, is the name that you want to use confusingly similar to something that's already out there?